Welcome to Public Daily Bulletin. We will take you on a mesmerizing journey through the heart of Shantipur as we witness the grandeur of Jagadhatri Puja 2023. Amidst the rhythmic beats of dhak and the sweet fragrance of incense, the town of Shantipur comes alive with the celebration of Jagadhatri Puja. Elaborate pandals adorned with intricate artwork and dazzling lights serve as a visual feast for the eyes, reflecting the rich culture tapestry of this vibrant community. As we navigate through the lively street, we witness the spirit of unity and devotion that defines Jagadhatri Puja. Families and friends gather to offer their prayers, and the air resonates with the joyous sounds of traditional music and dance. The artisans of Shantipur showcase their unparalleled skill in crafting awe-inspiring idols of Goddess Jagadhatri. Intricately designed, these idols stand as a testament to the town's artistic heritage and devotion to divine. But it is not just about the grandeur. Jagadhatri Puja is a celebration of community spirits. From organizing cultural programs to charity events, the people of Shantipur come together to make this festival a true reflection of their unity and collectivity strength. As the light falls, Shantipur transforms into a magical realm of lights and colors. The enchanting atmosphere of Jagadhatri Puja leaves an indelible mark on every heart that experiences it. Joining us on this visual journey through the enchanting Jagadhatri Puja 2023 in Shantipur. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more cultural insights and celebration from around the world. Until next time, this is Public Daily Bulletin signing off.